Hello guys, welcome to the chapter Facebook Stories. In this lesson, we're going to talk about using stories to reach more audience. Let's get started. Facebook Stories is a great tool that you can use to showcase your products or services that people can see on your Facebook page. It can also help your brand's content be shown to your Facebook page followers. Facebook users can also view your Facebook content when you share stories. And Facebook Stories can help your content increase engagement and get more audience reach. When you share Facebook posts, it will appear on your followers' newsfeed, and there's a possibility that your post will be buried down from all the posts seen by your followers on their feed. And as a result, they might miss out on the content that you are promoting. Facebook Stories are the first section that any Facebook user can view as they browse their feed. And there's a great possibility that your target audience will see your story and discover your content. It's easier for your audiences to engage with their business using Facebook Stories. When people browse their Facebook Stories, the stories of any user who are in their friends list are continuously playing. So there's a huge possibility that while they're viewing the Facebook Stories of their friends, they might stumble upon your Facebook promotion. The good thing about Facebook Stories is that people can pause the story or go back to the story that they want to check out, especially when it's still available, and they can discover your content. Facebook Stories are only available for 24 hours. And after that duration, any images or videos that you have shared as Facebook Stories will no longer be seen as your Facebook story. You can use videos to attract more people. When people browse their Facebook Stories, they might stumble upon your stories, and if they like it, they can stay and finish the video. Use videos to attract people. When people browse their Facebook Stories, they might stumble upon your Facebook story, and if they like it, they can stay and view more of your Facebook Stories. You can divide long videos into multiple stories. Doing this can help your viewers to understand the whole story in the video, especially if its duration exceeds the maximum video length that you can upload as a Facebook story. You can click on the tag user if you want to invite them to like your page. Next, it creates brand awareness. People who purchase the products of a brand are more likely to show and share the photo or video of the product as Facebook Stories. Their friends and followers can be aware of that product that they bought, and if they tagged your brand's product, there's a greater chance that their friends are also interested to try your product, since they know the person who showcased your product in their Facebook Stories. It creates curiosity and an urgency to try the product. Next, you can sell your products using Facebook Stories. If you have uploaded content on your Facebook page where you show the products that you are selling, your followers can discover your products as they view your Facebook Stories. Interested viewers can reply to your stories and inquire about the product that you are selling. Facebook Stories is a great feature on Facebook that you can take advantage of to promote your products and reach more audiences on the platform. It can help your business increase engagement when your content is seen by your target audiences. Now that you know about using stories to reach more audience, we can now proceed to the next topic, promoting your brand as stories. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.